Hi everyone, if you're new, welcome. I'm Lilac. Today I'm doing this Ice Queen inspired look for you. I was so excited to sit down and start filming today. I just got two of the new NYX Machinist palettes in the mail. I got Steam, which is the one I used for this look, and Grind. I did not order Ignite, but my stepdaughter did and let me play with it, so I think I'm going to have to order that one also. Okay, there it is. I haven't used it yet. I haven't even swatched it yet, but it's so pretty. I wasn't going to order Steam. I was just going to get Grind, but I'm so glad I did. Okay, I'm going to use this light pink shade to start with. I'm taking my clean brush and just blending out edges. Next I'm going to use this plum color, which actually I thought was going to be darker, but it's still very pretty. Okay, so there I decided to try a different brush to see if it would deepen up the color a little. Oh, after some blending. And more blending. Okay, going back into that pink shade, I'm just putting that back to wherever I may have lost it. Back into that purple, I'm going to run that under the outer half of my lower lashes. And then I'm using a dry brush going into this blue shade. I used the dry brush because I wanted to see how it would play at first, and actually I was very impressed. And still using that blue shade, I'm going to put that in the inner part of my lower lashes, kind of mimicking the upper. And just blending out the bottom a little. Taking this light, almost white shade, and I'm going to do a brow highlight. Next, I'm taking this white Wet n Wild Kohl pencil and putting that in my waterline just to brighten up the eyes. Okay, next I'm going to be doing a small wing using this Wet n Wild Skinny Tip eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner because if you're like me, your wing can escalate pretty quickly. So this gives me a little more control. This is my bad eye. I happen to have a wrinkle over there, so I have to stretch it out to get a wing. And as always, going in with my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. And using my, what seems to be my go-to blush recently is my Milani powder powder blush in the shade Romantic Rose. And for my highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Lilac to Reality. Okay, finally for my lips, I decided to try the Wet n Wild Iridescent lip color in the shade Unicorn Soul. I'm not quite sure I like this or not. It's very light compared to what I'm used to wearing. And here's the finished look. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Okay, thank you.